They say Replit Agent 3 can build an app, test it, and fix its own bugs. Sounds impossible, right? Let's test it and see if that's true. I am planning to create a web app called SQL Query Helper. In this app, the user will first select the database and then provide an input, such as find employees who earn more than the average salary in the department, in natural language. The app will then convert that input into a fully functional SQL query with the help of ChatGPT. For this, we will connect the app to ChatGPT using an OpenAI API key. Along with the SQL query, the app will also generate an easy-to-understand explanation. In the output, the query will appear inside a clean code box on the screen, and the explanation will be shown below it. A Copy SQL button will let the user copy the query instantly. Let's see if this Replit Agent 3 can do this or not. First, I'm going to sign into my Replit account. I will leave the direct link in the description for you to sign up. You will get $10 worth free credits if you will use my referral link. When you first sign up, you will be asked to enter your username and other details. Just fill out the form quickly and move ahead. Now let's look at the interface. It looks simple and easy to use. On the left menu bar, you have a clear buttons to create an app, import code or design. This means you can either start building your app from scratch or bring in an existing code base from the source like GitHub. That's pretty good. Another thing I like is the integration. You can connect third-party apps with your project, like databases, authentication, or services such as OpenAI, Spotify, or Stripe. Since I want to create my web app from scratch, I will click the Create App button. After that, you will see a user input box where you need to enter your prompt. Along with this, there are a few options you can select, such as choosing a theme or selecting a file. You can also specify the type of project you want to create, whether it's a web app, data app, 3D game, or something else. I will select web app. Now I'll enter my prompt. I have already prepared it, so I will just paste it here. Now I will press the Start Chat button. Okay, it's doing something. Replit has said that compared to the previous agent they launched, Replit Agent 3 can work independently for over 3 hours without manual oversight. Next, you have to choose whether you want to build the entire app or start with the design. I will go with the Build Entire App. I'll select the first option and press Start Building. Since the app I am creating is little bit complicated, I think it might take some time. The best part is that Replit Agent 3 monitors its own progress during extended sessions. On the left-hand side bar, you can see the live progress of your app. Now it's asking for my OpenAI API key. I was expecting this, but not this soon. I must say it's quite fast. Actually, Replit Agent 3 works on a design-first approach. It first develops the visual prototype in about 3 minutes, and once you approve it, then it builds the functionalities. The app is already ready. That's not yet connected to my OpenAI account. For that, I need to provide my OpenAI API key. I will add my key now and press Continue. I'm not very convinced about the color of my hero heading, so I want to change it. For that, I select the edit here. I can change any aspect of my website manually to my preference. I like this. So I'll select my heading, go to the color options, and choose this orange button color. That looks good. Now Replit Agent 3 will rebuild the preview and test all the changes. The best part is that it intelligently decides when to run tests based on the changes made instead of testing after every single message. I like the design. It's exactly how I described it in my prompt. It has every aspect I wanted. Let's quickly test the app. First, I will select the database, which will be MySQL. And then I'll enter a prompt. Find employees who earn more than the average salary in the department. Now let's press the Generate SQL Query button. I ran into an error. This is because of the OpenAI max_tokens parameter used by Replit. We need to replace it with a new parameter called max_completion_tokens. Don't have to do much. I will just tell Replit to fix this error and it will handle it automatically. It's also testing the app, which is great. It took a little time, but the error is now fixed. Let's quickly check if the app is working as expected. I'll select MySQL again, enter a problem in simple English, and see if it can generate a SQL query. We now have a nicely written query along with an explanation and some pro tips. That's perfect. And we also have a copy SQL button. That's exactly what I wanted from my app. If you want, you can publish it by clicking just one button. So that's how quickly and easily you can build a fully functional web app using Replit Agent 3. From design to working SQL queries in under 10 minutes. It really is a game changer for developers and anyone experimenting with vibe coding. If you want to experience this yourself, make sure to check out Replit Agent 3 and try building your own app. And don't forget, if you found this walkthrough helpful, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and turn on notification so you won't miss more tutorials and demos like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thank you for watching. This is Manish from rebellionrider.com.